Let us discuss linear regression using normal regression method. Here, this is the data set. We have seen this example, that is a cool bar. They make lemonades based on the average temperature of that day. Here you can see when the temperature is 50 degree on that day, they have made 270 lemonades, or they have sold 270 lemonades. And in a particular day when the temperature is 41 degree, they have sold 270 lemonades. When it is 40, they have sold 265. When 30 temperature, average temperature is 30, they have sold 250. Then once again the average temperature is 45, on that particular day they have sold 251 lemonades. Then based on this, you have to create a predictive model, to which you will be giving this 60. Okay, 60 is not available in this data set up to this. Here there are two problems. 60 is a new data. Okay, when it is a repeating one, you can check how much lemonades should be made from this data set. It is possible to say how much lemonade should be prepared. Okay, but if it is a new data, you won't get the answer from this data set or from this table. Okay, this is one issue. Another issue is when the average temperature is 45. Suppose on a particular day the average temperature is 45. How much lemonades will you make? 251 or 270? In such cases, we use linear regression to predict how many lemonades should be made. We have two features in this. So this will be recorded as points in a xy plane or a 2D plane, an xy plane. X is the temperature and y is the number of lemonades made. Okay. Here along the x-axis we mark the average temperature of various days, average temperature, and along the y-axis we will mark the number of lemonades made. Okay, then we will plot all these points in the graph. Okay, every linear regression algorithm will try to draw a line in this plane such a way that the total error is minimum. So when this is the temperature, let us say some 10 degree, okay, actual value of number of lemonades is this, but the predicted value is this. So here this difference is the error. This is the real world case, actual value, actual number of lemonades made on such a day. Okay, then according to our prediction, this algorithm draw a line, some y equal to mx plus c, and here on this line you can see this point this points correspond to this temperature, and this is the number of lemonades which should be made if the average temperature is 10. Okay, so there is a difference between this predicted value as well as this actual value. Okay, so when you consider all these points, you will get such errors. See here, this is the actual value at this temperature, and this is the predicted value. Here there is a gap. This is error. Okay, and this algorithm will try to draw a line. Draw a line means try to find out an M and C such that the total error is minimum. Okay, so using this matrix operation, it will calculate the M and C. C is the bias and M is the weight. Here theta 0 is bias and theta 1 is weight. This is the concept of linear regression by using normal equation method.